Alrighty then, after looking at these a little bit more and kind of playing with them, I figured out that if you just bend that back, get in there, bend that one back. You don't have to do both sides, but sometimes it's easier. Anyway, you get in there. You just need to basically get in here, get under there, there's a little thing, and then just pop it right out. See, if you look, you see there's a little tab, and once we get enough of it over the edge there, whoops, break a little plastic. There we go. Hey, just a little bit. Voila. It's just all steel. So again, steel pile here. Untwist. Now, I noticed that these, let me get you these. The ones with the rivets, or not the rivets, the screws. They, where'd it go? There we go. Actually have the main large gauge and a smaller one of each of the colors. Your bare ground, and then again 2 whites, 2 blacks. I'm thinking it's because it veers off. Again, I snipped everything when I was ripping it out, so I'm thinking these were the tops and these were the ones that went out the bottom. If I ever find them again, I'll pay more attention. But anyway, again, just boom, once you've done that, get your pliers and just, whoop, I'll have to dig that one out in a minute. Just boom, again, not sure if it's brass or steel, but clip it off, save it, just wham bam. Okay, so I'm going to dig that one out and that one out, so I'll do that a little bit. But again, just, you never know what you'll find just walking, going for a walk. I mean, I was not actually out, quote unquote, scrapping. I was just doing a nightly walk in an apartment complex by where I live, and just right there next to the trash. I guess they were doing some remodeling. There was a bunch of drywall and some other stuff leaning against it, so just looked in the box. Normally walk past that kind of stuff, but lately I've been trying to pay more attention to things and picking up TVs and toaster ovens and microwaves and vacuum cleaners and all that fun stuff. So it's adding up. I'm learning a lot. I'm having some fun. I don't have a truck where I drive around and have my sides all, guttered up. Nothing wrong with people doing that, making that their full-time job. Just not for me right now. Anyway, thanks for watching.